When I think about breaking down LinkedIn and the outreach that has worked for me, what I've learned is you have to try multiple things. You have to break it down to different channels. LinkedIn is a place where you get the contact information, but that's not where you need to stop in terms of outreach. You can start with the conversation on LinkedIn, maybe shoot a DM message, one or two, or however many you want, but you have to be mindful that it can be a little spammy. But you can use LinkedIn to get people's basic information and start the conversation with them. But you can also use email. You also can use the phone calls, cold calls. You also can look at their other channels. Are they on Instagram? Are they on any other channels? And you can double it down, and that's going to allow you to get a chance to be more competitive, because there's so many people out there just relying on DMs to get audience.